Call this wham, pam, and then wham, pam, shmam.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything is edible.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mos. As you already know, I cook on this channel. Now, on the menu for you guys today, I'm going to be making some halloumi with some salad. But it's going to be traditional Persian salad, which is salad Shirazi. I'll explain to you what it is and what it looks like, obviously, as the video goes on. But before we go any further, I need you guys to hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram at MosToosifar. Subscribe to my YouTube channel at MosToosifar as well. And let's begin the video. So guys, here we have, but before anything, let me just turn on the oven, get it up to preheat. We're going to put it at 200 and we're going to carry on. So, the ingredients that we got is plain flour, 2 eggs, breadcrumbs, and these are 2 halloumi cheese. What I'm going to do is chop them up, put them in flour, put them in the egg, just forgot there for a sec, put them in the breadcrumbs, and then place it in the oven. So, first thing we're going to do, just to add a little spice, these are peppers. I'm going to add it to the breadcrumbs. Okay, just to give it a little taste, right? So we can always add breadcrumbs after if we need any. Let me just give it a little quick stir so it all mixes everything nicely. Oh. Get the breadcrumbs and all of that. Lovely, lovely. That's that. So, here's what we're going to do. Slice it up. Oh, hold on. This is coming off. You want to try and make it a little bit thin so it cooks nicely. You don't want it to be, can you guys see that? Yeah? Let's, there you are. Chop it up, there you go, happy days, and again, and again. This is, guys, this is a simple snack. I know every time I cook I say it's simple, but this is like, really, come on guys, this is simple. One thing I forgot is to whisk the eggs. I hope 2 is enough. I don't think I got any more in the fridge. Yeah. Hurry up. Is it good? Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Okay. Should be alright. Hopefully. Now. Here we go. One by one. Dip it in, flip it over. Just hope it doesn't come off. Turn it over. Bloody hell. Doesn't seem to want to get soggy, I guess. Okay. This is how you're going to do it. It's called wham. We're going to call this wham, pam, and then wham, pam, shmam. Don't ask me what that means. It is what it is. Alright? All you want to do is get these bad boys, stick them in there. Alright, oh God, be careful not to peel off what you've just placed. But obviously, spread them out apart. Don't let them touch each other. Keep a social distance. I'm going to stick this one in there and all. Right, leave that there. I'm going to put these in the oven for about 15 minutes, check up on them. It may need a little bit less, it may need a little bit more. Keep an eye on them, check them, and then take it from there. I'm going to put out 180. See you later, mate. Yeah, let me clean all of this up and I'll come show you what we're going to do with the salad. Right, as goes for our making salad Shirazi, all you need is a bit of tomatoes, cucumber, onion and some lime. Here's how you want to start it off with. Save that to the last because that's going to make me cry. Also that as well, little faffing around. Get these, chop them up, get the little wiggly bits out. Wiggly bits. There's that. Happy days. All you want to do, chop it up. Simple as, you know, like bada bing, bada boom. Move on. That's that. Get that in the bowl. Stick it in that old thing. Stick it in there. Go on. Get in there, mate. Hurry up. Ain't got all day for ya. You know what I mean? Bada bing. Bada boom. And now, you want to peel off the skin off your cucumber. Don't worry about that, someone else is going to clean it after. And yes, it is me, unfortunately. Right, what you want to do is, what do you want to do? I don't even know what you want to do. Oh my god. No, I'm joking. Chop it up like that. Get it into little slices. Okay. And again. Guys, honestly, be careful with your fingers, yeah? You don't want to mess them up. Bring it to a side. Chop, 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 and chop. Right? Done. Get that in there. Oh, don't drop it out. What's going on here? Yeah. Done. Now, moving on. Onion. I'm gonna cry over this one, guys. Right. Here's the bit I don't like. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Ain't got all day. Hurry up, hurry up. Done. Right. Chop it up. Chop, 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 chop. And then chop, 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 chop. Just make sure it's all like separated and all of that. Right, all good, all cushy. Get in there. Hurry up, get in there, get in there, go all day. Go on, go on, go on. Get in there, get in there. Done. Happy days. Now, comes time for the lime. Just roll them out. These are already soft as it is, but just in case. Chop them up. Chop them up. Right? Squeeze it all in there, right? Get two hands, go for it, go mental with it. Release some stress out, alright? Anyone stressing you out, have a go at the lime. Yeah? Be up the lime about it. Now, add a bit of vinegar, a bit of white vinegar, not too much, just a little bit, and then a little bit of pinch of salt, and then pinch of pepper. Done. Some cases, some people like to add mint, dry mint to it and all, but all preference I'd rather not. Look at that, guys. This is what you call salad Shirazi. It's just salad, man. It's simple, it tastes nice, it's healthy, it's good for you, it's yummy. Guys, do you know what I fight for? For the juice. I fight for that juice all the time. Alright. Look at that. Let me get rid of my chewing gum. And have a little taste. See if it needs any salt, any pepper, any seasoning or what. Put it back. Just a little bit more salt. A little bit more pepper. And a little bit more vinegar. Yeah, boy! Giddy up! Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. Right. Time for a second taste. Can't go wrong. Okay, so here's the setup. You wanna turn off that. Right, let me get my wait for the heat to take off. Voila! Oof. There it is, if you guys can see. You can't see all of them, but there you go, that's what it is. Alright, it is jolly hot, so you need to be careful with what you're doing. Be careful with what you're doing. Right, what you want to do, get your bowl, get your salad, chuck it in there. Go on, fill it up. Right. Just a little bit more. This is, guys, this is just like a little snack, like party food, finger food, whatever you want to call it. Right, this is not like main food or anything like that. Get a bit of that juice in there. Right, there's that. Just clean up a little bit. Put that there just like so. And then you want to get a fork to scrape this from the bottom. That's kind of hot, you know. That's kind of hot, you know. Place them in. You gotta fight this. Raw. Raw. This one ain't no joke, you know. Right. One more. Just put a few in. Oh, look at that. Can you see how hot that is? I'm going to leave it there, guys. That is enough. Don't need any more than that. It's on your snack. And there, right there, guys. Can you guys see that clearly? It's your Halloumi with some Shirazi, salad Shirazi. Bon appetit, enjoy. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, don't forget about that. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come up